Hello there and welcome. This is Miss Ng here. Well, as you can see, I'm trying a new feature on my videos where you can see a small little rectangle of my face as I teach you the tutorial. So tell me if you like it or not. I'm just testing this feature out because I wouldn't want the video to that webcam to make the video to be too large. Then you're gonna take a long time to download the videos. Okay, so well, what I'm gonna do today is a question that is posed by one of my students. He actually asked me in the class, okay, and I find it pretty interesting, so I'd like to share it with you guys. Why, for those of you who like a challenge, you should try it first. And I've written the answer down, so you try it first. If you can't get it, then you can watch the tutorial. So anyway, I'm going to show you how to get answers. Yeah, okay, it is given that point Q and P and point R are the midpoints of AC, CB and AB respectively. Okay, so that means well, I'm going to write it down here to make it easy. Okay, that's Q, and Q is 4, 7. Okay, that's the midpoint for AC, and CB would be P. So that's point P, and that's 6 and 3. Okay, and point R would be here, and that would be 3 and 1. Okay, now please take note that diagrams are not to scale. Yeah, it's always not to scale, especially this kind of diagram. Okay, chapter 6, chapter 8, no, all the diagrams are not to scale, so you must read based on the question. Okay, so well, I miss R here. This is point R. Okay, so they say, now A, find the gradient of PQ, and that's really easy because P and Q, you have both the coordinates of point P and Q, so straight away you can find them. So let's write them here, okay? Now it's a bit too high up. Let's write them here, A. Okay, so gradient of PQ is equals to, while using the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, so you get 3 minus 7 over 6 minus 4. That's negative 4 over 2, so giving you negative 2. Done. 1 mark question. Okay. B, B is the one that is a little bit challenging. The equation of the line AB. So this is the one you're looking for, equation of the line AB. So now, a lot of students, when they come here, they will have problem. They think because you don't have point A, you don't have point B, you only have one point R that is on the line AB. So how are you going to find the equation? To find the equation, remember, you need the gradient and the y-intercept because the equation is y equals to mx plus c, yeah? So you need the m and the c. So how are you going to find the m and the c? Well, remember this, well, in Add Math, you just need to fill up this equation and you will get the equation of the straight line. So basically, actually, you just need one point and the gradient. Yeah, you don't need to find the c. This is not the mod maths way. So 1 point and gradient. So now the challenge is to find the gradient for the line AB. How? Because you don't have point A, and in order to find point A, it's going to be really tedious. You're going to form multiple equations to find the point A or B or C using the midpoint formula. So one characteristics of triangles that that we don't learn, that we are not told, okay, is this: the midpoint, this midpoint and this midpoint PQ. Okay, if you connect them, this line PQ is actually parallel to AB. And similarly, if you were to connect the line RP, okay, this line RP will be parallel to the line AC. And this is true for all triangles. You may test it out yourself. It's kind of interesting. Okay, don't take my word for it. You can test it out. Draw a nice little triangle and test out. Find the midpoint yourself, you know, and see the gradient of this will equal to this, the gradient of PQ will equal to AB, and the gradient of QR will equal to the gradient of CB. They are parallel. Okay, so now if you know these characteristics, you can solve the question easily. How? The gradient of AB is the one you're looking for, right? Remember? So I'm going to write it here. M of AB will equal to the M of PQ, which is equals to negative 2, which is what you found earlier. So another technique is this. You may realize that our Add Math is structured in such a way that the question B sometimes will make use, or most of the time will make use of the question, the answer from A. And the question C most of the time will make use of the answer from A or B or both. Okay, so now this is related, right? M of AB is equals to M of PQ, so you have the gradient. So straight away you can put into this formula. Y minus y1, you're looking for AB, right? The only point that you have is R, so put it in. Y minus 1 is equals to the gradient is -2, and x minus x1 is 3. So that will give you y equals to -2x plus 6 plus 1, that is plus 7. And that's it. Equation of the line AB. Simple, huh? If you know the characteristics within a triangle. Okay, now, see. The equation of the perpendicular bisector of AC. Okay, here we go. This is AC. Perpendicular bisector means you are going to draw a line that cuts AC into half, and that is also 90 degree. And here is a trick, yeah? A lot of students think it's PQ. It is not PQ. How do you know PQ is 90 degree? Just because I say it's parallel doesn't mean it's 90 degree. Doesn't mean it's perpendicular. Okay, PQ is parallel to AB doesn't mean it's perpendicular, because you do not know that AC is perpendicular to AB. You don't know, right? So you cannot assume that. So what you have to do is to find the gradient of the perpendicular line of AC by using the perpendicular formula. So M of AC times M of the perpendicular line, okay, put P there, should equals to -1. So M of AC would be equal to, so what is M of AC here? M of AC, so is equal to M of RP. Remember the characteristic within the triangle. So M of AC is M of RP, which is 3 minus 1 over 6 minus 3 times M of the perpendicular line should equals to -1. So this is 2 over 3 times M of perpendicular line. So M of the perpendicular line is equals to -3 over 2. Now problem solved. You are trying to find the gradient or the equation of the line that is perpendicular to the line AC. Yeah, you're trying to find this line, okay? And it is not PQ. I just happen to draw it across PQ. Okay, that's quite misleading. Let's use another color. Okay, the perpendicular line, it's probably like that. It's different from PQ. Okay, and the gradient is -3 over 2. So now substitute this y minus y1. It passes through the midpoint, obviously, yeah, of point Q. So y minus 7 equals to the gradient x minus x1 is 4. Okay, let's go down. So that is y is equals to -3 over 2x plus 6 plus 7. So it's -3 over 2x plus 13. That's y. If you want to rewrite it, it's okay. Equals to -3x plus 26. Yeah, times everything with 2, so it looks nicer without the fraction. Okay, so that's basically it. Okay, this is how you answer a pretty challenging, a pretty interesting question. Alright, so hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you around.